Welcome back. The record number of farm fires that have been detected in recent days have come amid air quality tumbling across Delhi and the national capital region post-Diwali. It represents a significant policy challenge. The government has enacted the Commission for Air Quality Management Act this year for better coordination between states and armed itself with more powers to take corrective action. But as the severe air quality levels recorded this week indicate, a rethink is needed. The ban on farm fires have all but failed. Vehicular pollution is also a big factor in Delhi NCR's air quality problem. Many farmers are resisting the huge subsidies granted for purchasing the Happy Seeder and other straw management machines. They are sticking to their demand for monetary incentives for not burning paddy stubble.
Stubble burning is still going on in Punjab, and these are the live visual which we are showing to our viewers that how the farmers, they are going for this stubble burning. They have their own answer. They say that the government has failed to provide them subsidy, and that was one of the reasons why this stubble burning is going on. But at the same time, this stubble burning has become one of the major cause for the pollution in national capital, and for the last so many days we have seen a lot of cases have come up in Punjab, specifically in Sangrur district, Moga district. So we will talk to the farmers to understand what is their compulsion to go for this stubble burning. Sir, आपका स्वागत है टाइम्स नाउ पे. क्या कारण लगती है, आप किसान हो, क्या कारण लगता है कि आपको ये हर साल पराली जलानी पड़ती है? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं पोल्यूशन की बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है. स्पेशली दिल्ली में तो ये कहा जा रहा है कि वहाँ सांस लेना भी मुश्किल हुआ पड़ा है. क्या किसान को ईजी लगता है? क्योंकि स्टबल बर्निंग से ये भी कहा जा रहा है तो काफ़ी समय भी लगता है और अगली खेती करने के लिए भी टाइम गैप कम होता है.
बिल्कुल, ये एक बहुत बड़ा कारण है क्योंकि जिन्ना चिर किसान पराली नूं साड़दा नहीं, जे ना साड़े ਤਾਂ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਦਾ ਖਰਚਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਪਰਾਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਾੜਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਜਿੰਨਾ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਦਾ ਤੇਲ ਮੱਚਦਾ, ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਤੇਲ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕੀਮਤਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਉਹਦਾ ਕਚੂਮਰ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਦੂਸਰਾ ਇਹ ਪਰਾਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਾੜਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਦੀ ਮਜਬੂਰੀ ਆ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾੜਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਪਰਾਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿਣਸ ਬੀਜਣੀ, ਅੱਗੇ ਕਣਕ ਬੀਜਣੀ ਆ, ਉਹ ਪਰਾਲੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਕਣਕ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਠਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਰਹੀ, ਔਰ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਰਾਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਾੜਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਤੇ ਖਰਚਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾਧੂ ਦਾ ਖਰਚਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ.
So well, we can see that the farmers say that they are forced to go for this stubble burning. They don't have any alternative. At the same time, they have blamed the state governments. They had failed to provide them proper equipment so that this stubble burning should be stopped from the farmer side. With Vijay Yashpal Singh, this is Group Singh China for Times Now, Moga, Punjab.
The air quality index in Delhi remains to be in very poor category. The AQI of Delhi as of now is in the range of 380 to 390, which is very, very poor, and it's almost touching the mark of 400, which is in the severe category. Now we are right now reporting from outside Mausam Bhavan, and you can see these are the boards that have been put up over here. Now today's forecast is for the shallow fog according to the IMD, but it's not just fog. It's the mist, it's the haze, and also the pollution. It's a thick layer of smog that has engulfed the whole Delhi NCR. I'll ask my camera person to just show you around, and you can see there is a thick layer of smog that has engulfed the area of whole Delhi NCR, and stubble burning is a major contributor to this particular smog that has come to engulf Delhi NCR. While the AQI in Delhi, the PM 2.5 level are in very poor category, the health experts have said that kids and elderly and people who are having respiratory diseases should not venture out. Now it's an emergency situation, but it has been happening from past many years. From almost 5 to 6 years, I have been reporting on this particular story, but story remains the same. With the onset of the winters, the air quality index in Delhi dips down and it reaches to the mark of severe category, which is very, very dangerous. Now, the central government blames the Delhi government blames the stubble burning in the states of Punjab and Haryana, but in the end, the people of Delhi are suffering, and today there is a thick layer of haze, smog, fog that has engulfed the whole Delhi NCR, and visibility has also taken a hit.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
So the question is, will there be a permanent solution, or will this blame game continue as we suffer and as we struggle to gasp fresh air? We have Harish Khurana, spokesperson of the BJP, Vimlendu Jha, and my mentalist, Dr. Sumant C. Raman, political analyst, Chaudhry Savit Malik, farm leader, joining us in the broadcast. And the other important angle is, are the political parties only catering to their vote bank, and hence nobody takes a concrete stand when it comes to action against individuals who indulge in stubble burning. Let's open this up. Let's go across to Harish Khurana first. Harish Khurana, even the centre agreed to the demand and tweaked the law, saying that farmers won't be penalized for stubble burning. Is this just for vote bank? Whether it's the BJP, whether it's Congress, whether it's AAP or any other political party for that matter?
See, as far as Delhi is concerned, stubble burning is not the only cause of pollution in Delhi. The reason I'll tell you, this is today's data. In Ludhiana, we have a AQI level at 148. We have a Patiala 163, Karnal at 157, but Delhi is 699. If stubble burning is the only cause, the origin of stubble burning comes from in Punjab and Haryana, and the cities like Karnal or Patiala don't have that much kind of pollution level which is in Delhi. So my point is, stubble burning is a cause, yes, but not the only cause. The main reason over in Delhi of pollution is vehicle emissions, which nobody understands.
Okay, it might
Delhi
not be the only cause, but it is the biggest factor. It is the biggest factor. Why did you give in to the demands to dilute
I said it's
the
one of the factors.
I'm saying it is an important factor.
It's not the only factor.
Okay, it's not the only factor. Vehicular pollution is also a big contributor, but isn't stubble burning a very, very important factor, a big factor that contributes to the pollution that is witnessed in the national capital? My question was very simple. Is this for vote bank that even the centre agreed to the demand, said farmers won't be penalized?
See, it's not about vote bank, ma'am. We should understand. What solution we have to give, it has to be a permanent solution. For example, I'll tell you why. Delhi government has last year has advertised a lot that they have introduced a biochemical solution. The actual fact, I'll tell you, the actual fact is they have distributed the biochemical solution for just for 40,000, and the distribution cost of that solution was 22 lakhs. And for advertising that stubble burning solution
Khurana,
was 15 crores. So this is the vision.
You're only highlighting the failure of the Aam Aadmi Party, the Delhi government. I have to bring in Sumansi Raman. Sumansi Raman, is everybody praying to the galleries? Is everybody secretly, of course,
who is answerable in Delhi?
Of course, wanting to get the vote bank of the farmers, and that's why when it comes to taking a stand on penalizing, on legal action against the farmers, they have a soft spot. Because in Punjab, sir,
why Delhi government talks some...
No FIRs have been filed. Till now, till date, 0 FIRs. Mr. Raman.
Yeah, I think that there is... Look.
Two small examples, Swati.
Sir, quickly, please, let Mr. Raman finish. I'll come to you for a counter. Mr. Khurana, please.
Saying something else in Delhi, and why that in Punjab, Sangrur is the city where the most stubble burning happens, and the member of parliament...
Can he finish,
you never responded to the question I asked you about the centre stand, Mr. Khurana. So let Mr. Sumansi Raman come in. I'll come back to you for a counter, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Two quick points. First of all, it is during the stubble burning season that the air quality is very significantly deteriorating. The number of vehicles is more or less the same throughout the year, increasing at its annual rate. So the very fact that the air quality deteriorates very significantly in the stubble burning season itself is evidence that it is a very important cause. Now, we can blame the Aam Aadmi Party government for a lot of other things. But on this particular issue, they have absolutely no control. I mean, what can they do about the stubble burning in Punjab or in Haryana? And in fact, in some parts of UP also. So there is a problem. And this problem cannot be solved by any individual government. It has to be solved by the center through some form of action, which must be binding on the state.
Mr. Raman, that is
Short
my
of
question.
this, nothing is going to work. BJP can blame Aam Aadmi Party, Congress can blame BJP and AAP.
Since elections are nearing and the political parties all of a sudden have this soft spot for farmers, they don't want to take any legal action. Is that the case, Mr. Raman? Do you agree with that?
Very, very clearly, political parties do not want to annoy the farm lobby. The farmers are already annoyed in Punjab and Haryana thanks to the farm bills. And anything further which is now taken up by the political parties seen to be harming the cause of the farmers will not be done by the political parties. Certainly not before the Punjab
elections. It's all about the
elections.
fact that elections are nearing. You don't want to upset the farmers. We have a farmer leader with us on the panel. We have Chaudhry Savit Malik. Chaudhry Savit Malik, the governments claim, and not just the centre but the state governments also claim, that we have ran these awareness campaigns and we have come up with so many measures. Then why is there no impact on ground? Why is there still stubble burning?
स्वाति जी, ऐसा है, किसान सोप टारगेट है तो किसान के ऊपर सब आरोप लगा देते हैं। आपने ये देखा है कि प्रदूषण कब कब हुआ और कब घटा और कब बढ़ा। अभी बताया था हरियाणा में नहीं प्रदूषण है, पंजाब में नहीं है। क्या ये पत्ती और पराली का धुआं सड़कों के रास्ते से आ जाता है? आप ये नहीं देख रहे, आपने दिवाली पे पटाखे छुड़ाए जब प्रदूषण बढ़ा।
आप कह रहे हैं कि एयर क्वालिटी,
एक मिनट मुझे अपनी बात रखने दीजिए।
आप ही से पूछ रही हूँ, क्या आप ये क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि एयर क्वालिटी जो है वो पंजाब और हरियाणा में बेहतर है, बहुत अच्छी, लोगों को कोई दिक्कत नहीं पॉल्यूशन से? जो
दिल्ली के लोग हैं ये अपनी खराब करी हुई है। अभी आपने दिवाली पे पटाखे छुड़ाए तब वहां पर प्रदूषण खराब हुआ। आज आपने छठ पूजा पर परसों वहां कितने सारे पटाखे छुड़ाए जब ये खराब हुआ। अरे आपने कितने
वो भी फैक्टर्स
फैक्ट्रियां बंद की है?
अरे वो भी फैक्टर्स हैं मलिक साहब।
कितनी फैक्ट्रियां बंद की हैं? फैक्ट्री वाले कितने 5% टोटल जो आंकड़ा आता है, 5% किसान की उससे प्रदूषण होता है, 38% फैक्ट्रियों से होता है, कितने व्हीकलों से होता है, उन पर कोई नहीं। किसान सोप टारगेट है।
नहीं, लेकिन मलिक साहब मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि अगर प्रदूषण हो रहा है, चलिए दिल्ली को छोड़ दीजिए, आप पंजाब और हरियाणा में भी अगर प्रदूषण हो रहा है तो उसका असर तो फार्मर्स पर भी पड़ रहा है, जितने लोग वहां रह रहे हैं उन पर भी पड़ रहा है। गवर्नमेंट कह रही है हमने बहुत ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, हम ऑप्शंस दे रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी लोग स्टबल बर्निंग क्यों कर रहे हैं, पराली क्यों जला रहे हैं? मेरा सवाल ये है।
स्वाति जी, जो आपकी पिक्चर चल रही है, ये गन्ने की पत्ती जलाई जा रही है। गन्ने की पत्ती से धुआं ही नहीं उठता, उससे प्रदूषण ही नहीं होता है।
तो ये
इन लोगों को पता ही नहीं, शहरों में बैठ के आंकड़े बनाते हैं, ऑफिस में बैठ के आंकड़े बनाते हैं।
अरे ये
अपने जो गाड़ी, अरे ये जो एक एक घर में 10-10 गाड़ी लिए हुए हैं दिल्ली में, और जो इतनी फैक्ट्रियां चल रही है उससे प्रदूषण नहीं होता।
आपके पराली जलाने से कोई धुआं नहीं हो रहा है, आप ये कह रहे हैं। विमलेंदु झा इज आल्सो विद अस।
मैंने फिर आपको बताया,
विमलेंदु झा, इलेक्शंस आर नियरिंग, क्लियरली पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैव अ सॉफ्ट स्पॉट, दे डोंट वांट टू टेक अ लीगल एक्शन। इन पंजाब 0 FIRs have been filed and cases, stubble burning cases have been registered in thousands. They've crossed 2000, 3000, 4000 as well, but 0 FIRs. Mr. Malik is saying पराली जलाने से धुआं होता ही नहीं है।
धुआं होता है, लेकिन क्या वहां पंजाब का, हरियाणा का धुआं यहां आ जाता है?
See, the thing is that if you're discussing stubble burning, then of course we will talk about stubble burning. But if you're actually discussing air pollution, then I would agree with Mr. Malik partially that we need to understand that, stubble burning is an episodic cause of pollution. Delhi's air is actually poor almost 340 days out of 365 days. And 2 to 3 weeks contribution and heavy load of contribution. In the sense, this morning also it was almost 30%, almost from 2% to 45% is what the contribution of stubble burning is. In these extreme weeks that we are talking about, when weather is not favorable, the wind comes from the northwest side, the temperature dips and all of that. So of course in October, November, when weather is not favorable, then stubble burning indeed makes Delhi a gas chamber. But Delhi is a gas chamber throughout the year, and all the politicians that we actually have on your show and otherwise, they just do lip service and rather actually looking at solving this crisis, including the stubble burning. Please understand that why are farmers not adhering to the Supreme Court norms or adhering to the actual environmental norms of the country? Because there's no incentive. They're not paid. We're also looking at, when we talk about environment, we need to talk about environmental justice. Stubble burning needs to be stopped. But we will have to have a collaborative effort. We will have to bring all stakeholders together and we'll have to find a solution. Because it is making the North India a gas chamber. And by the way, it's just not Delhi. Noida's air quality index is as bad or further bad than Delhi, and same in Ghaziabad, same in many other parts. So we need to find, rather than doing a tutu meme, rather than actually unifying a particular stakeholder who already in distress,
and not a tutu meme or a political
solution.
blame game to have a permanent solution to this problem. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us on the broadcast. That's all the time I have for debate number 2. Thank you to the viewers as well for joining us.